Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to podcast Ala Ala, the podcast where we explore unique passion and inspiring stories from different individuals. I'm Ilyas as a host. Today, we have the amazing guests with us who will share the incredible journey in their respective fields. Our first guest is a patient gamer who dedicates hard to improve his skill, mastering strategies, and competing in intense Valorant match. Let's give a warm welcome to Gusti. Halo Gusti.
Hello everyone. Hello Ilyas. Thanks for inviting me. I'm really excited to be here and share my story with everyone.
It's an absolute pleasure to have you, Gusti. I know you've been really passionate about gaming, and I cannot wait about your experience. Now, moving on to our second guest, we have someone who sees the world through a different lens, literally. His passion for photograph has taken him to breathtaking place, capturing the essence of nature and life. Please welcome Noval. Hello, Noval.
It's great to be here. I'm looking forward to this conversation and sharing my love for photography with everyone.
Okay. We're thrilled to have you, Buff. Today, episode is going to be packed with inspiring stories, valuable insights, and perhaps even some advice for those who are interested in gaming and photography. So let's dive in right in. All right, let's jump straight into it. Gusti, tell us what you fall in love with Valorant and how did your gaming journey begin?
Well, my gaming journey is started very casually. At first, I just playing game for fun with my friend after school, nothing too serious. But then, I discovered Valorant, and something about it just clicked for me. The mix of strategy, teamwork, and precision-based gameplay fascinate me. Unlike some other games, every match in Valorant feels different, and you constantly have to adapt your approach.
Wow, interesting. A lot of people enjoy gaming casually, but not everyone take it seriously as you do. What was turning point for of you? When did you realize the gaming was more than just a hobby?
I think the turning point was when I started improving and ranking up. I remember this one match where my team was losing badly, but through teamwork and strategy, we made a huge comeback. That adrenaline rush, the feeling of executing a perfect play, and the teamwork involved, it all made me realize how much I love competitive gaming.
Okay, incredible. Do you have any memorable moments or achievement that you stand out?
I wouldn't say I have any major achievement yet, but some of my best memories come from playing with my friend. We would
Yeah.
run ranked matches together, staying up late at night, pushing our limits, and celebrating every win.
Okay. That sounds like such a great experience. Now, for those who are interested in getting into competitive gaming, what advice would you give them?
And advice would be to practice consistently and never get discouraged by lose. Every match is a learning experience. Also, communication is key. Being able to relay information quickly and clearly to your teammates can make all the difference. And lastly, always review your gameplay to see where you can improve.
Okay, great insights from Gusti. Now, let's shift gears and talk to our second guest, Noval. So, Noval, tell us how did your journey in photograph begin?
Yes. It's all start when I received first camera as a birthday gift from school. At first, I used to take picture of my friend and family, but soon I found myself drawn to capturing landscape, city space, and candid moment. Over time, I realized that photography was more than just a hobby. It was my way of expressing emotion and expressive.
Amazing. Do you have a particular type of photograph that you enjoy
Differently landscape photography. There's something magical about capturing the vastness of nature, mountain, forest, ocean, and sunset. It makes me appreciate the world beauty in way that word can describe.
Okay. That sounds absolutely breathtaking. Can you share one of your most unforgettable photographs moments?
Of course, one of my best experience was photographing in sunrise at Mount Bromo. We arrived before dawn, and as the sun slowly rose, the mist started clearing, revealing and shining sanskrit. The way the color blend in the sky, the golden light hitting the mountain, it it reminded me why I feel in love with photography in the first place.
Okay. Sounds like an incredible experience. For beginner who are interested in photograph, what advice would you give them?
Mm, My biggest tip is to practice as much as possible and not worry about expensive equipment. And good camera is great, but what matter more is your ability to frame a shot, play with lighting, and tell a story through your photo. Keep experimenting and find your style.
Okay, wonderful advice from both of you. Now, let's Gusti, looking ahead, what's your big dream or goal in your gaming?
My biggest dream is to meet people from different countries through gaming and build meaningful friendship. I also hope to participate in tournament, starting from small interclass competition, and maybe if I get lucky, even bigger ones.
Okay, that's an exciting goals. And Naufal, what's your ultimate photography dream?
I did love to hold my own photography exhibition, showcasing images from different places I've traveled to. I want to tell story through my photo and inspire people to see the world in a new light.
Okay, such inspiring dream from both of you. Before we wrap up, can each of you share what keeps you motivated? Gusti.
Me, yeah, for me, it's the day of improving in the friendship I built through gaming. The excitement of competition keeps me going.
Okay. And Naufal?
And me, it's knowing that every photography is take picture a moment that will never happen again. That what keep me inspired.
Okay. It's been an absolute pleasure talking to both of you today. Gusti, Noval, thank you so much for sharing your stories.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Ilyas.
Wait, before we officially wrap up this episode, we have a quick segment with some unique and truth questions for both of you. Are you ready? Gusti, Noval?
Yes, yes, I'm ready,
Ready,
I'm ready.
ready, always ready.
Mm. All right, here we go. In first question. If you could swap passion for a day, would you try it? And why or why not? And Gusti? How about Gusti?
I think I love to try photography, capturing a moment and seeing the world from different perspectives. Sound really interesting.
Okay, how about Noval?
Gaming is fun, but I think rather stick to photography. So maybe trying gaming professionally for a day could be a fun challenge.
Okay. And the second questions. What's one traditional dish from your hometown that you i- think is underrated but actually delicious? How about Gusti?
I think
In your hometown,
Tombalak maybe.
Lontong balap. Why?
Yeah, it's it's simple but packed with flavor.
Okay. How about Naufal?
I'd say serabi. It's a traditional pancake that tastes amazing, but not many people talk about it.
Oke, serabi and lontong balap ya. Oke.
Yes.
Third question. What is one unique habit you have when gaming or taking a photo? First, Gusti.
Uh, big habit. I always adjust my chair height before playing. It has to be just right.
Oke. How about Novel?
I tend to hold my breath when talking a important shot like a sniper in a game.
Oke. And the fourth question, this truth question ya. What's one thing people often assumes about your passion that is actually wrong? Gusti?
People think gaming is just for fun, but in reality, competitive gaming takes a lot of strategy and discipline.
Oke. How about Novel?
Many think photography is just click a button, but there's so much thought put into lighting, angle, and storytelling.
Okay. And the fifth questions. If you had to go a whole week without doing your passion, what would you do instead? Gusti.
Maybe I try learning photography.
Okay. Gusti trying learning photograph ya.
Yeah,
How about Novel?
I'd probably explore music or watching film.
Okay. Sixth question. What is the most embarrassing experience you've had while pursuing your passion? First, Novel?
I tripped while trying to get the perfect shot in front of a lot of people.
Okay, Gusti.
I once celebrated too early in the game, only to realize we hadn't actually won yet.
Okay. Seven question. This is a third question. If you had to choose Would you rather lose internet access for a month or not be able to do your passion for a month? Gusti?
This is so. Maybe I rather lose internet because I could still play I could still play offline games.
Oke. How about Noval?
I think I'd rather lose internet. I could still take photo without it.
Oh, oke. In eighth question, if your passion had a personal motto or slogan, what would it be? Novel, maybe?
In me, every photo tell a story. Ah,
Every photo tell a story. Oke. How about Gusti?
I think play smart, not just hard.
Oke. Good, good, good. And then, next question. This is a third question. What is one goal in your passion that you haven't achieved yet? Gusti?
I think competing in a professional gaming tournament.
Oke. And Noval?
holding my own photography exhibition.
Okay. Last question. If you could pick one song to be the ultimate soundtrack of your journey in this passion, what song would it be? Gusti,
So
your song maybe for your
I think
soundtrack?
Eye of the Tiger.
Air of the Tiger.
It's all about competition and pushing forward.
Okay. How about Novel?
Uh, Photograph by Ed Sheeran.
Ed
It
Sheeran.
first perfectly.
I know that. Okay. Those were some great answer. Once again, thank you, Gusti and Noval, for your stories, information, inspiration.
You're welcome,
Yes,
Ilya.
you're welcome, Ilyas.
And thank you to everyone who tuned into this talk, podcast talk. Don't forget to keep chase your dream, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye. Thank you, everyone.
Very
Thank
good.
you. Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.